What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best footrest for under desk of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use for more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Everlasting Comfort Office Footrest. This is the best under-desk footrest we found. Made by Everlasting, this soft and comfortable footrest will help you lessen foot pressure while sitting, reducing foot pain, leg pain, hips pain and improving blood flow. The footrest has an ergonomic teardrop design that naturally elevates your legs, allowing you to place your feet on it in several different positions while reducing the swelling caused by resting your feet on hard surfaces. This product is made of 100% memory foam and, using your own body heat, it can conform to the contour of your feet while simultaneously absorbing your body heat to soften and support even more during long spans of time. The cushion features a breathable cover designed to let air circulate so as to not trap heat. The material still results soft to the touch, therefore you'll be able to comfortably rest your feet on it with or without shoes. To prevent the footrest from slipping while you move your feet, Everlasting equipped the footrest with a non-slip bottom, allowing it to stay in one place as you shift position. Plus, with a height of 5, this footrest can be used by a petite person to raise your feet in case you're not using an office chair for short people. Last but not least, its shape allows you to flip it over and use it as a rocker whenever you feel like. Pros. Lessen foot pressure. Adjust to your feet's contours. Good price. Machine washable cover. Cons. It doesn't work well with non-flat shoes. Number 2. HUANUO Adjustable Footrest. If you're looking for something functional and affordable, this item probably offers the best price for value in terms of under-desk footrests described in our list. This product from HUANUO shows an ergonomic design that potentially improves posture and blood flow by elevating your feet, and the massage beads on the surface offer all-day comfort whenever you need to sit for hours on end. It can work perfectly when coupled with one of the most comfortable office chairs we previously reviewed. The height of the pad is manually adjustable on 3 different levels, 4.3 inches, 5.5 and 6.7 inches. As for the angle, the footrest can tilt from -30 degrees to 30 degrees, however, it can't be locked, meaning the pad will rock back and forth. Still, this rocking motion will help increase blood flow throughout the body. The surface is non-slip, and the product comes already assembled. Plus, it only weighs 4.18 pounds, meaning you can take it anywhere with close to no effort. Pros. Comes already assembled. Great price for value. Anti-slip surface. Easy to fold. Cons. The tilt angle can't be locked. Number 3. Whether we're talking about laptop stands or office chairs, being able to adjust the height is always an important factor when you need to increase your overall comfort while working. This footrest by ErgoFoam offers all-day comfort and support to your feet, thanks to its plushy surface that'll make you want to press down on it and stretch your ankles. One of the best features this item offers is the option of adjusting its height by adding or removing a base to suit your comfort. This product comes in different sizes, and its height can be either adjusted to 3.9 inches or 5.9 inches. As for the materials, you can choose to purchase the ErgoFoam footrest equipped with a velvet cover, or you can go for the breathable mesh one that'll keep you cool and dry throughout the day. In any case, the footrest is made of high-density foam that doesn't flatten easily and provides optimal ergonomic support. Finally, the footrest doubles as a rocker if you turn it over, allowing you to keep your feet moving to improve your circulation. Although this cushion is more expensive than most options you can find on Amazon, it's worth noting that it is covered by a lifetime warranty in case any accident happens. Pros. Plushy surface. You can choose between velvet and mesh. Offers all-day support. Improves blood flow. Cons. A bit expensive. Number 4. Sleepy Ride Airplane Footrest. The Sleepy Ride footrest may just be the perfect companion for your legs and feet on long-haul flights. Even before you arrive in Hawaii or Thailand, you can start enjoying a hammock-like experience with this footrest. Designed to work with most plane seats, the product works by using straps that you hang over the arms of the tray table in front of you. Whether the tray is upright or down doesn't matter. The straps are adjustable, letting you shorten or lengthen it depending on whether you wish to dangle your lower leg or feet on the supporting pouch. Sleepy Ride claims that this item has been tested to prevent soreness and swelling caused by a sustained static position and blood pooling in the legs. Indeed, many owners of this footrest praise how much of a difference it has made on flights for their lower extremities. While this is a great footrest on planes or even buses with trays behind the seats, how much benefit you will get from this product, however, is largely dependent on the amount of leg room available in front of you. In tight spaces, there just isn't enough space for this footrest to work properly. Something to bear in mind. Pros. The most lightweight and portable of the covered footrests. Comfortable memory foam, a massive improvement over most airplane footrests. Highly versatile, can be clipped onto different seats on different airplanes. Cons. Functionality is greatly limited by amount of legroom and seat type. Number 5. Eureka Ergonomic Adjustable Footrest. The Eureka Adjustable Footrest is a great alternative to the HUANUO footrest above for those looking for a more contemporary footrest that looks great even in a corner office. This is quality metal footrest that is not only sturdy, but looks and feels great to the touch. Like the HUANUO footrest, Eureka's product boasts some textured grooves to help massage the feet. The usable surface is a lot larger, however, with a stable platform that doesn't rock easily. The advantage of this is that you can really run your feet across the textured surface from time to time to get a soothing foot massage. Instead of being lockable, the tilt angle of the Eureka is free floating between 20 degrees and -20 degrees. There is just enough resistance to prevent unwanted movement once dialed into a particular angle. Many users love this setup, as it means the tilt angle can be adjusted just by using your feet, by applying enough force. Overall, the footrest is superbly built, a black rubber surface supported by a bronze metal frame for professional vibes. The rubber-lined feet should prevent the footrest from moving on any surface. For eco-friendly buyers, Eureka notes that this product is made using environmentally friendly TPR rubber. The main shortcoming of the Eureka adjustable footrest is the lack of any height changes. When flat, it raises just below 3.4 off the ground, which for most people, including me, at 5'8", works perfectly. If you are much shorter, however, you will need to either lower your chair or use some magazines underneath the footrest to make contact with it. Not a big deal, but note mentioning. Pros. Perfect 20-degree angle to put your feet at a comfortable angle out of the box. Textured surface to give your feet a massage from time to time. High quality rubber and metal construction. Cons. No height adjustments. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.